Hello guys, what up guys, how are you doing? Today we are going to build an ATM clone using Java programming language. As you know that Java is one of the most popular and also one of the high level programming language that help us for the developing of the either for the desktop application, for the mobile application, also web application and also other stuff, having a lot of bunch of frameworks that you have to deal with it. So the Java today using Java simple the ATM clone build ነው የምናደርገው stay tuned with us ስለዚህ የምንጠቀመው ID watch code the IntelliJ ID እንጠቀማለን so we have this basic setup we have a package called the com.take with KINFISH የሚል package አለን in this case we have just a class header አለን and also a method header አለን so we are just ready to go and we can just start coding by using Java. So for the first what we are going to do, we are going to declare some variables that we are going to use. So in this case int balance, not int balance, we just have to be double because they are balance double nothing balance is going to be set to 0 double nothing withdraw so withdraw which is going to be equal to 0 and also double man align double man align ሌላ ምን አለኝ double deposit is going to be equal to 0 እና ያያየን እንጨምራለን so the next thing that we are going to declare int pin as a default first we are going to declare int pin which is going to be 1345 and also is boolean value ምን አድርጋለን declare እናደርጋለን is true which is going to be get compile is going to be this case what I'm going to make is true so after just doing we are going to prompt the user in order to give us the pin so that pin should have to be more consistent in order that we're going to keep as the user only three times then after the 3 times we are going to break out of that ATM and also we are going to prompt the user so you have reached the limit or something else we are going to prompt the user by that message in this case the next thing that we are going to do we are going to create a while loop that's going to render the pin so this case is equal to pin which is going to be is pin yeah so I'm going to create is pin for is pin yeah it's not declared as you see it's not declared yeah is pin which is going to be equals within is pin which is going to be equals within true declare now after this is pin is equal to we are going to prompt the user in order to give out the input so in this case after this not a print line so in order for making them without a new line we are going to use a print method so enter the pin prompt and just after this we should have to create a scanner class scanner as you see I just when just type scanner this scanner class get imported and we should have to create a scanner object from the scanner class so scanner is gonna be equal to the new scanner is going to have a system dot in after just making this we should have to the pin should have to be what is integer so we shouldn't have to be now we should have to be careful at this is kind of dot next is gonna be the byte unload because byte on is it has a limitation we're gonna be up to negative 108 to 128 up to positive 187 something just like that can negative positive 100 something negative 128 up to positive 127 something just like that no so we should have to make it integer so it's going to take an integer and we are going to store that variable into the int pin take variable int is going to be the pin int pin take is going to be something just like variable like and now so this is where we are going to create a control flow statement this is just like an statement that the person make a decision based on a certain condition so this is what we are going to do we are going to create an if condition if the pin takes so you are before that we should have to create a guess introduction create ማድረግ አለብን ማለት ነው so እዚህ ጋር int guesses int counts not int count is going to be equal to 0 and also not just like in the semicolon start int and also the count limit is going to be equal to 3 into current is going to be 3 after just doing this what we are going to do if the pin is equal to if the pin take not equals every time when you are just prompting the user what I'm going to do is I'm going to increment the count by 1 not count begin so you are count you're gonna be get increment if the pin is not equals within the pin tag, and also the count limit, the count is equal within the count limit. What we are gonna prompt the user in order for doing something. So in this case, what you are going to see out, what you are going to, sorry, you have reached the limit. You have reached the limit. Triangle leader and we are gonna something in this even low, there is nothing, it's not meaningful, you should have to break out of that. So is pin is gonna be equals within the false, this pin is equals within not false. And after just making, what if the users got the what if the user got the right pin, if just like pin is gonna be the pin tag. What if the pin tag is equal, we are gonna prompt the user to get into the ATM console. So what if you are going to do, you are gonna display, you are gonna ask the user the name. So this is simply for simplicity, no name it doesn't matter. So in this case, for more simplicity, in order for understanding how these control flow statements work, understand the target. So in this case, what we are gonna do, we are gonna do see out. I'm gonna prompt the user in order to enter the name. So in this case, enter the name, enter your real name. So for working, so enter your real name. After just making enter your real name, I'm gonna accept that. So this scanner object from scanner is what I'm gonna use, and next, and it's gonna take that input from the user. So I'm gonna store inside of the string, which is gonna be name store. After just storing, what we are gonna dive into the ATM console. So there is a lot of options that should have to be familiar with. For one, we are going to, so in this case, before that, we are going to start, we are gonna from the user COUT, just like a shortcut. No, the hello is gonna be hello, which is hello someone is, the name is gonna be welcome to using Java. Next ደግሞ ወደ ፓይተን እንገባለን፣ ረብ እንገባለን፣ and also C++ እንገባለን፣ and also C እንገባለን። and we are going to lot of languages ገብተን ምናደርጋቸዋለን ቤዚክ የሆኑ ኮንሴፕቶች ማለት እነዚህ control flow statements in order for making them more understandable. We are going through each of them. So in this case, after just making it, what we are going to do, we are going to create a one for the balance, and I'm going to copy this bunch of the code after. So in this case, yep. So for this, what we are going to do is withdraw, and then the next thing we are going to deposit, something just like deposit and balat. After this, claim bonus is just not program and does claim bonus, and also exit about the account status. Simple and just more logic and not go again. So in this case, after just making not eternal vision sound, we are gonna do something just like more vision, something just like it is not limited for this. You can't wrap your head and you can't think of a lot of bunch of stuff that you have to be included inside of it. So including a lot of bunch of stuff. It's not limited. So in this case, what I'm gonna do for the claim bonus, change the pin, you can't just go over here. So this case, let me just exit it, and now again 2 3 4 5 6 and also 7 እያየን እንላለን እንጨምራለን። This is not limited for this. So in this case, እነዚህ ናቸው ቀላሎች ናቸው ማለት። In this case, what we are going, it is just like the things that we are going to accept is ምንድነው an integer ነው ማለት ነው። You should have to be careful that we are going to prompt the user integer value ስለሆነ we are going to insert them into the switch ስቴትመንት ውስጥ ይገባሉ ማለት ነው።